Hi everyone, welcome back to Data by Design. So far, we've delved deep into designing data models for OLAP. Today, we are stepping through the looking glass to understand the benefits of good data modeling from the perspective of data consumers. Remember, we had mentioned that the goal of OLAP is to structure data so that analysts can make decisions based on it. We are going to explore how to navigate this data structure. The definition is climbing up a hierarchy or decreasing the level of detail. If you've watched my video on aggregations, you can easily draw parallels, including in the case of semi-additive measures. For example, if the initial data showed sales by city, a roll-up might show sales by state or country. The definition is increasing the level of detail, so it's the opposite of rollout. The example is starting with sales data by country and breaking it down to view sales by individual states or cities. The definition is extracting a single dimension from a cube to view only that perspective. It's like applying a filter to focus on a specific section. For example, when you're looking at sales data for a specific year, ignoring all the other years. The definition is selecting two or more dimensions from a cube to view a subset of data. This operation is almost the same as the previous one, except it's applied to multiple dimensions at once. For example, viewing sales data for a specific year and a specific region. The definition is rotating data to view it from different perspectives without changing the underlying data. This operation lets you approach the data from a new angle. Example, if initially viewing sales data by region in rows and by product in columns, then pivoting to have regions in columns and products in rows. So, why use these OLAP operations to navigate data? By offering different perspectives, these operations enhance data visibility, helping you detect patterns invisible in a static view. As with any exploration, there's a learning curve, and I encourage you to practice these operations to become familiar with navigating data. Think back to the first time you drove a vehicle. It seemed challenging and orienting yourself was even trickier. But as you became more comfortable driving, you found it easier to navigate without the need to check every sign multiple times or glance at your speedometer every 10 seconds. In just a few weeks, you'll be able to navigate any data cube with the same ease for powerful and straightforward analysis. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay analytical and see you soon.